concert location here. And I'm just looking around to see what they have that's different. There is one thing that I know I want. This looks like outdoor things, but I'm not sure if they have it here. Wow. This is 94 cents. That's a really good price. Really good price, 94 cents. And a little baby one for 50 cents or 58 cents. Ooh. I really need some of these. Ooh. I heard this is like a different kind. Swirl saucer. Here's the inside stuff. I want this. I think I want to paint it black. Pedestal planter. I know. I might get another one of those because I have one. I think I might get two. I have tons of stuff up at the top too. It's just so much stuff. But yeah, these are my favorite planters. These two. They had this blue-green one. I'll show you a picture of it from home, but they don't have it anymore. I bought like 2 or 3 of them. I wish I would have bought more. How much did I buy it for? How much was that Epsom salt we just bought? $5.99? For how many pounds? Look how much this one's is. 8 pounds for $5.86. They say you can put it on your plants. But I heard people say that it's not good for your plants, so I don't know.